we are going to be adding audio background to our video ads. So click on the audio here. You click on the audio background here. So there are different audio backgrounds. So some are free, some are paid. Some are free, some are paid. So you can click on the free one that is here. So we can make use of this free one. Just click on it. So click on this. It's going to apply automatically. So we have added audio to our to our video ads here. So you can see different audio option. You can see audio effect, fade in. So a fade in effect is like something starting bit by bit. Okay, let's say something. Let's say the way an airplane takes off. It starts bit by bit till it gets to a point. The speed increases, then it can fly. So the fading is a process through which an audio plays. The process through which an audio plays. It can play with a very low sound, then at a particular time it increases. So that's the fading option. And the fade out option is when it increases. By the time it gets to the end of the timeline of that audio, let's say 5 seconds to the end, it starts decreasing till it gets to 0. So that is the difference between fade in and fade out. Fade in is applied at the beginning of the audio, while fade out is applied towards the tail end of that audio sound. So you can say, okay, at 4 seconds, let's put that 2 seconds into the video, then be a fade out effect, a fade in effect. Then let's say 2 seconds also, in 2 seconds towards the end of the audio, let them be fade out. So you can place it there. So we click on the audio again. We can adjust the sound. Yes, we can adjust. Then you can see bit synchronizing. So it's going to make sure that the audio rhymes with the way your video is displayed. So you can choose that option, bit synchronizing. So it's a premium tool. So you have to pay before you can make use of this premium tool, but you're not doing that. So we will not be making use of that bit synchronizing because it's a paid option. So we can also increase the volume. So we can play the video to see how it looks. So you can click here, or you click on this play button at the top to see how it looks. So though my own is not playing here, so the only way I can view it is by downloading. So what I will do, I'll come to this button that is here, this share button that is here. So once I click on this share button, you can see download. So I'll click on download here. So I'll make sure the file type is MP4. I'll make sure the file type is MP4. So this is a video format, not a flyer, so it's MP4. So make it MP4 and make sure it's all pages. So you can select a particular page that you want to exclude. So you can say, okay, I want to just export page 1 and leave out the rest page. So you can click all pages, since that is all we want to display. So we'll click After doing that setting, we click download. So it's going to be exported as a media file, MP4. So you can find here it's downloading. It's about 3.6 MB. So let's play it and see what we have here. So I'm going to go to my download folder. So this is the video. So I'm going to run the video and see how it looks like. So the sound is good and it's okay. So we have exported our video as MP4. So that is it for creating video using Canva. So this is just a basic that you can build upon. So first we looked at setting up the page layout, which was mobile video. That is 1080 pixel by 1280 pixel. So that's the format for creating mobile videos. And we looked at how to upload our products from our phones or device or our systems to Canva, to our Canva account. Then we look at how to lay out our different product image on different pages, and we looked at how we place animation effects to objects or items on pages, and we'll also look at how to apply transition effects, and we'll also look at how to add audio background. Yes, you must add audio background to all video ads you create. So that's what we looked at. I also looked at how to export using Canva. That's to export our project into an MP4 format. That is a video format. So once we are done exporting, we can play and we can upload to any of our social media platforms. And in the next course, we'll be looking at you'll be taught how to create video as using InShot, and you'll be taught different various video sizes for different social media platforms that you intend to advertise your product through. So we'll be doing that in our InShot class. So I think that this is just the basics. So you build upon it, and you become perfect in it. So thank you guys, and see you in the next class.